Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, in the previous video we had created this context menu. Right now in this video I'm going to show you how can we work further with this context menu. I will show you how to change its font styling, colors, background colors, active colors, and menu item states etc. Okay, so let's continue our video. I hope it will be useful for you. Here we go. We have to use our context menu and then we have to call config. Okay, I'm going to set global settings for whole context menu. That's why I call this config. Whatever I set here, it will be applied to the whole context menu. Like I'm setting font. First we have to set the font family name. I'm setting Arial, and then we have to pass the font size. I'm setting 14. Let me show you how is it working first. You can see this is our new font size, which is 14. Okay, now I'm going to make them bold and italic. So to make it a bold, you have to pass bold in this parameter. You can see all items are in bold. Now we can also set them italic style, right? So I specified italic here. I hope it will be very useful for you. You can see all our items in italic style. Okay, now I want to also change font color, so we can simply set foreground color here, like blue, right? Let me show you. All our menu items are in blue, and I want to change the background color. For that we can simply use background color here. Black. Okay, see, this is black menu. It's looking very ugly, but it's just to explain you how it works. You can of course set any color of your choice. Let me set gray here. Okay, see, it's gray now, right? Now I want to change active foreground color. Active foreground color means when I mouse over the menu item, it should change the color. Okay, so here we can use active foreground yellow. Okay, you can see when I mouse over the menu item, font color turns yellow, right? And we can also change the background color of this active menu item. Let me show you. Here I will set the background, active background color white. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's looking very bad, but you can see it's working perfect. The active background color is white and active foreground color is yellow. Okay, and inactive item foreground color is blue and background color is gray, right? So it applied to whole menu, but now I want to apply different styling to this menu item option 2. So to do that, let me show you how can we do that. Here I'm going to again set config, but now I'm going to call entry config. Okay, when we use config only, it applies to the whole menu, but when we work with entry config, we work with a single menu item. Okay, now here the first parameter we have to pass is the index number. Okay, you know index starts from 0. So if I want to change option 2, this option 2 styling, I have to pass 1 here, because this is our second option, but index number starts from 0, that's why I have to set 1 here. Okay, now let's set the font. I'm going to set it impact, and the font size will be 18, and let's make it simple, no bold, no italic for now. Okay, you can see this option 2 is in impact font style, and it's not bold or italic. You see this bold because impact font family is already a bold font style, that's why it's looking bold. Let me show you by changing it to Arial. Okay, see, now you can see the difference. All menu items are bold and italic, but option 2 is not bold, not italic. Okay, and we can make it bold and italic like this. Simply we can pass this. Okay, so it will become bold and italic. Now I want to change its foreground color to black, and background color to white, right? Now you can see this is our menu item 2, and its foreground color is black and its background color is white, right? So I hope you understood the concept. The next thing I want to show you is changing the states of any menu item. Okay, state means if I want to disable this option 2, user should not be able to click this option. For now it's enabled, so when I click this we see the message box, but when I set it disabled, it should be disabled for user. Okay, here we go. We will use context menu, and again, as I am going to work on a specific menu item, I have to use entry config, and again I have to set the index number to 1, and here I'm going to specify state is equal to disabled. Okay, now when I run the program, you can see our option 2 is disabled. If I click this, it won't work anymore because this is disabled, right? Other options are working, you can see this. Option 1 working, option 3 working, but option 2 is blocked. This is disabled menu item. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. See you in next video guys. Thank you. Goodbye.